Welcome to this.
Welcome to the hurricane gales that sound like are going on outside.
Welcome. Oh yeah, you're right. Il
very
Piantissimo Sand Sprint.
Yeah.
I kind of just tuned in.
What's the lore of Tu Piantissimo?
Il Piantissimo?
Whatever, or two. Yeah, because I is two.
Well, it's IL. They only look a little bit different. Wait,
You gotta beat him.
I do gotta beat him. I hope I can do it. I think I can do it.
I love how not beating him results in a game over. Like the
Yeah.
the tragedy of losing gives Mario a massive heart attack, and he dies. You're good at this.
Oh, I was. Oh, we sort of evened out. I had a
I would
rough
call
time.
that evened out.
I lost. There's no way I won. Wait. No, you.
Oh,
That sucks. That sucks.
Son of a
ass.
beaver.
Pokey little flat biscuit.
I must laugh at you.
Okay, let me just try that one more time because I need to redeem myself. Oh, the lore is that he's the mailman from Ocarina of Time and Majora's
I was
Mask.
gonna say that.
I
think he is.
if you look at the model of his face underneath the mask, he's like the running mailman guy from Ocarina and Majora. Yeah.
Oh. And he makes that noise.
'Cause-
I'm making 2 like margarita pizzas.
What is a margarita pizza?
It's like
I don't eat pizza or food that is good that
it's
people
like cheese and like tomato. It's like fresh tomato and like
Fresh.
yeah. It's like
Fresh
I don't know.
Frozen food.
Comment and hit the thumbs up if you know what a margarita pizza is.
Smash that like
I
button.
don't know. It's fucking tomato and cheese.
Comment your favorite margarita pizza recipes in the comments below. What? Don't laugh at me. Guys, wait. Come on.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah, there we go. I don't even
That
have a
is-
gosh. Excuse me, child.
You shouldn't be here.
Move from my way. I need to go to the flag.
Yeah.
Huh,
Ride
yeah,
that
yeah.
pole.
What?
Ride that pole.
What? Huh? Come on. Where is he?
Phew. Woo.
Phew-ha!
You're pretty good. You have some speed.
You have some speed.
You have grown ever so slightly in my esteem.
slightly. We
We will
will,
meet again.
I almost said
and
Vivo.
goodbye.
we will meet again. That's not.
We will meet again and goodbye.
And goodbye.
How's that for entertainment?
Yeah. What was that noise I just made? I didn't like it. Yeah.
Melissa and I watched The Man from U.N.C.L.E. last night.
Oh, how was that?
It was really good.
Yo.
Yeah. It was Gucci.
Is that like British Spies the movie? No.
No, it's American and Russian spy antics. The movie.
Okay, so I knew it was spy antics, but I
And-
didn't know.
What's some British flair?
Yeah. But I don't want to spoil it.
I know, but there's British flair.
Yeah, that's true.
It doesn't spoil a single thing.
Do I?
Because you can't call it flair.
Yeah, that's true.
We got that already.
We did.
So you can do whatever level
Wait,
you want.
we gotta.
I was thinking we could finish
Yeah,
this real quick.
I didn't think. As per the usual.
No, you didn't.
I don't think. I do.
Ooh.
Oh, this is the one with the fucking fish that swim through the rocks.
Yeah. Yep.
Great.
It's not the best, but
Great.
it's not the worst.
No, it's
We
not.
still got the Goopy Inferno to deal with.
can't wait.
Oh my god, look at all the red birds.
We're the redbird cucks.
Don't say cuck. This is a bad word. It's not a bad word.
I don't even know what it means. I
It's-
saw it on Tumblr once.
It's like short for cuckold.
What the fuck is a cuckold?
It's like somebody who like I don't know how to describe it.
Let's hear it, Kyle.
It's like
What is it?
I don't know whether it is the person who does the act or if it's the person who watches, but it's like when a person like watches their spouse or significant other like engage in sexual activity with somebody else.
Really?
Yeah, and derives pleasure from that. That's close to right? That's something like that.
How do you?
Welcome to Look It Up with Malberto, I guess.
That?
What?
Wait, I thought I got
He
3.
shouldn't know it. Is the thing.
My friends talk about
Didn't?
you know,
I didn't get this one.
yeah. My friends
I'm
like
about to get real mad.
I don't know. My friends say it all the time. I don't know why. You shouldn't know that. There's also there was a Rick and Morty episode.
Morty.
It was the one with like I don't remember. Never mind. Who cares?
I care.
It's like there was
Cuckold is a noun, and it means the husband of an adulteress, often regarded as an object of derision. It's also a verb, parentheses, of a man, close parentheses, make, parentheses, another man, close parentheses, a cuckold by having a sexual relationship with his wife.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So you were right.
Yeah. It's yes.
So it's a weird thing.
So it's not always necessarily like
Oh god.
yeah. Oh,
Like,
this is the
second
worst.
link
Fuck
down to
that!
the Urban Dictionary, and I don't like what they wrote.
Feel free to not read
I'm
it.
not going to.
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh, do I get to read the?
just read the little blurb. Wait,
So remember how I was saying this is the one where the fish swim into the rocks?
Yeah.
You'll notice that they just did that.
Yep. They're doing it a lot.
And
you
here,
really
there
like-
they go again.
Also, I really didn't like. I didn't like that sentence at all. Okay, it has nothing to do.
the
Okay,
next
I guess
article
not.
is how to have a steamy hot cuckold marriage.
No, but yeah. So it can be though. Is the point?
What?
It can be. You did it. I'm proud of you.
Oh yeah. Well, there were no rocks for them to swim into.
Did they get Daddy's rocks off perhaps?
Hey, if I'm not allowed to say it, you're not allowed to
That's
say
true.
it.
I know. It was we in the biz like to call a callback. Oh. I feel like at this point
I'm gonna read that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna read it to the class.
Great. Share with the audience.
Doug has the penis of a young boy and has never given his wife Jill an orgasm. His choice was divorce or be a cuckold.
I don't like it. I don't like anything about it.
I hate it.
Yep. So that was that. I'm gonna go put the pizzas in the oven.
Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the
Welcome back. You have 2 other hosts with you.
That's true. Hostess cakes.
I opened the link.
No! That was your first mistake. No! No! Wait, hold on, I gotta kill a Mario. Okay. Oh no, wait, I wanna read it, but I gotta kill a guy. Great, I'm glad. Mario, come on. Whoa, where do you... Okay, let's pass out for a second. I'm happy about that. There we go, okay. Come on. I feel like I should have talked first. I'm gonna get hurt by my knife. Nope. Get it. No, I'll read it. I can't. I do. You're right. So here I am, getting up, and I guess I'll go here and do this. I'll shadow Mario. God damn it.
Yeah.
Cuckold. A sexually inadequate husband who accepts his wife's
It's very bad.
pussy is her solely property, and she alone decides which men she will fuck, even if it means denying her husband. His only access to her pussy is to clean it off the ejaculate of males she chooses to fuck.
Excuse me? Uncalled for.
So,
I like nothing about it.
By jealous cuckold Doug.
so viewers,
Jealous cuckold Doug? Oh, Doug,
we have just saved you the trouble of having to go.
What is that? Come on. What the? Oh God.
Welcome to the worst level of a Mario game ever made.
Yeah, it's not great. Nothing about it's
We've
great.
saved you the trouble of having to go onto Urban Dictionary and look up cuckold. You're welcome.
You are so welcome.
Where do you have to throw them again?
I gotta throw them into this like river type thing right here.
Yeah, you better fucking run, you pup.
You pup.
You puppled.
Puppled. I was gonna say.
Oh, you like that
God
texture bounce?
Damn it! Come on, come on, come on. Come
Try
here.
cooling its head off, Mario.
Thanks, Flued. If it bounces off this, I'm gonna cry.
You just 8-balled it.
I hate this! Come here, come here. Alright, okay,
Or don't.
okay, okay.
Or don't
okay.
come here.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ooh, a little.
I watched it like right after I came home from your house. What did it? Okay, it
Yeah,
did.
you got it in.
It's good. Don't.
Yeah, I know what I said.
I know what you said too.
Do you like Huey Lewis in the news?
I lost my mind. I think I sent you like a myriad of Snapchats.
I literally don't even remember doing that. Just
Did I send it to you too, Rebecca? I should have.
Wait.
Of me watching Carrie.
Oh yes, you did.
It was just like Lemons coming in as Billy to like the classroom scene. It's him just like saying to random people like, "You like Huey Lewis in the news?" Just like as there's like just do chatter as you all come in.
I was reciting a monologue from American Psycho.
Oh, you're right. Oh, it is that. You're right.
Another day, I was like rattling off like Snapple facts.
It was really difficult to act.
I was like, "Did you know a leopard could carry 3 times its body weight into a tree?"
I think I do remember that one. Yeah.
I remember when we were in the rehearsal process and we got the note, and it was like, people need to be more like Lemons when they come into the classroom scene. Like, have a presence and like act like you're actually kids walking into class. And then like I amped it up even more. And then literally after that rehearsal, Steph was like, "All right, people need to not be so off the wall in the classroom scene because I'm missing a cue."
Right. Yeah, that's right. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and fight Shadow Mario.
I'm glad the Goopy Inferno is done.
No, that wasn't the Goopy Inferno
I'm
level.
glad that the mock Goopy Inferno level is done.
It's Shadow Mario after him. So.
You want to follow?
What?
Malberto Del Rio.
What just happened? My nails.
You haven't bit my ear.
Bit my ears.
Since the war. Since the war.
I just desperately struggled to bite my ear. And I looked like a fucking moron.
Oh. These are so
Literally?
easy.
Dang, this ain't over.
Dang it.
Except
the
it
saying
is.
over. What the fucking bees?
Get fucked by bees. Get fucked by those bees. Oh my god, not the bees!
They're still going. Why the bees?
Not the bees!
Where are my eyes? Why bees? Why bees?
Why these bees?
Why these why bees?
I
Whitey.
like when there's in that movie there's the scene of who burnt the whatever.
Yeah.
Who burnt Roger
But
Rabbit?
someone superimposes a piece of toast and it's just him screaming, "Who burnt their toast? Who burnt the toast?"
Oh god.
It's a good
Then
movie.
I have watched those videos way too many times.
Nicolas Cage is a good actor.
I mean, there was a thing,
When he does decent movies,
right?
yes, he is.
There was a thing. I don't know if you ever.
He kind of just does anything that.
I don't know if you ever watched
It's 'cause
Community.
he's rich and bored. I would do the same thing. Someone threw a shit movie at me, I'd be like, I'm gonna do the hell out of this.
Yeah, no, totally. Oh yeah.
I don't mind it.
It's
Yeah.
like here's money, Nicolas Cage. You know what I mean?
Here's
It's like,
here's $8 million.
and you just go do whatever you want. You're Nicolas Cage.
do that thing that you do.
You, I guess, earned it.
It was 10-14.
Is this what I'm supposed to? I feel like I have to talk to a
They win it-
tiny
they win
man.
it at 30.
Tiny man?
Yeah. I don't know. There should be a tiny man somewhere that'll be like, "Hello there." He's a little tiny Noki. Oh God, I'm gonna die. That's him. That's the tiny man. He's right at the start of the level.
Hello, little Noki man. I
I'm,
always thought these guys were funny.
they're cute. I like them.
Yeah.
This little guy. He's got
They
his
have the
swirly
fucking
glasses.
the EGAD face.
Yeah, they do.
Master Mario.
Oh, I mean, I'm just an old man who loves nothing but fishing. But lately, I've had a terrible problem. Look up there. I mean, please look up there. He
Look
said
at this
please.
fuck mole in the shit tank.
Look at this fuck mole. The shit. I mean, that's his.
That's a good way to describe it.
I guess.
He's pumping shit out and he's a fucking mole.
He's a fuck mole. Can you look up fuck mole in Urban Dictionary? I don't know if it did it, but someone corked our waterfall. Yank that cork. That's
Fucking mole is a thing.
Oh, I don't like.
A nasty piece of work. Someone who will do anything to advance their own interests.
Oh.
That fucking woman made us do a group assignment because she was too lazy to mark individual assignments. Then she marked mine wrongly and said she'd fix it up but never did because she was too busy working on her fucking book. Fucking mole.
What?
I don't agree.
Somebody did a group project with somebody in class and just got really mad about it and made up a word.
Oh, I like that definition.
I
That's
don't.
really nice.
I don't
Let
like
me
that
tell
one.
you.
I don't like that one. A phrase used mainly when highly annoyed with one N at some numerical one or something. This could be because of pain inflicted by it.
Oh, stupid.
My dad has just got his finger caught. You fucking mole. I don't agree. How's that for entertainment?
I don't. You're right.
Pizza time.
Well, not like that video with the. Okay, never mind. Hey, how's it going? Okay, so, whoa, these guys are just suicide bombing little jelly man over here. Oh, I almost just fell off the edge. Okay, I gotta get this dolphin. I always forget about this level that when you get rid of all the goo on the walls, that platforms appear. Get this one. Whoop. Get him. Ah! Ooh. Pretty sneaky, sis. Can't go up there. It's fine. I'm just talking to myself. It's okay. Ah! Oh my god. This camera's really good. What the? How far down did I? Oh my god. I love how Mario's all covered in goo. He's like a little sherbet man. I think I can shake it off. Oh, that's a cool little thing. I also am desperately low on water. Excuse me. I think there's some water up here. Oh, excuse me, friend. Oh, I'm good. Dabba-dee-dabba-die. Oh no! Oh god. Okay, this is going not the best for me. Ah! Excuse me. Okay, I'm low on health. I'm low on water. High on goo. Not like on like drugs, but okay, wait. You know what's really cool? When half surprise! Ah, Jesus Christ! I hate your face, and I want it to be a not here.
We're giving the pizza another minute.
Okay.
Welcome to Rot Squad.
Oh my God! Don't do that.
Just took Kyle's glasses
I
off
would
for
be
a
so blind. What is this episode right now?
That's a great bomb that you're gonna throw at that fuck mole.
He is indeed a fuck mole. I didn't even get close to hitting him. He does. He's a pumpkin mole. Did I get him?
You got him.
I got him.
That
Got him. That's what the kids are saying nowadays, right? Got him.
got him.
Yeah.
Yoler.
Yoler Derby.
The queen of the Yoler Derby. That's a song from the 70s.
That's fair.
Queen of the Roller
That's
Derby.
what the kids Queen of the Yoler Derby.
Yeah, that's what they
Wow, that went far.
Yep.
How are we doing on time?
Those metric tons of water
Let me
pressure.
do one more. Two more. Woo!
Pizza time!
Stop leaving. Sorry. That's sassy. Goodbye. Okay. I'm just gonna keep plugging, keep getting sprites, keep getting shines. Whatever the next level in this one is. Shoo! Because these levels are pretty fun, unlike the next couple I have to do, which are the boss of Tricky Ruins. Do I have to already fight the? I think. Oh man, did he say his name was Old Man Jenkins?
No, I don't think so.
Mario, thanks for your. Oh, look at this little guy. This little nerdy goober. He's Dexter. Is that his name? So it's Dexter and Old Man Jenkins. Would you mind being my new What? Would you mind being my new teacher? My grandpa, Old Man Jenkins, is up ahead. I don't like this water's all poison. Oh, god damn! That fish really got me. It's because they're not cheaps. Whoa. There he is. Come on, old man. Way to go, Master Mario! Bravo! Looks like my third. Yo, hack.
What was that word?
Favorite
Half
cuckold is back.
Oh, don't say that.
I love my wife, but she loves other men.
Okay, they probably can't even hear that. I think I gotta.
I hope they can.
Now this may not seem like much of a reward, but I'm gonna reveal you one of Noki Bay's deepest secrets. Of his treasure. That is what you are. No, the tomb of an ancient Noki king. This level's not great. And just the like, oh, whoa. Okay, so I gotta do this quick. I've already may have blown it actually. In fact, now I know I've definitely blown it. Let's see how fast I can do this. Come on, are you kidding me with this?
Alright, let's fuck shit up.
Great.
What is this one? The Mystery of the Hidden Temple?
Yep. I mean, kinda. It's like secret Noki Bay. Whoa!
Yeah, it's the Legends of the Hidden Temple one, where you have to figure out all that stuff.
This stuff, yeah. And then you gotta go fight a blooper. I don't think you fight a blooper. Maybe you don't. Maybe you do. I don't know.
Do you?
I don't know.
Or is this the one where you have to get the one that's like in the cave?
Yeah, it's that one.
Okay.
You're right.
I know a way to cheese the blooper one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I think.
Oh! I was wrong.
You did the bloop.
It is the bloop.
You grouped the bloop.
I hope you guys like to see blooper murder because we're doing it again, apparently. Oh, he's coming for me.
He's fiending.
I will avenge my father.
The question still remains. What did this blooper ever do wrong?
Nope. Nothing. He's just hanging out.
Hit that thumbs up and comment what you think the blooper, what sin
Why
he
he-
committed to deserve this.
Give us a reason for this sentence that we have to bestow upon this sad fucking blooper.
My Instagram is being stalked on my own Instagram.
I forgot to get
What
this.
a classic cuckold move to be stalked on your own Instagram.
I mean, I feel like now we just have the word in the vocabulary,
Yep,
and we're just
it's been added to
and
the
we're just
repertoire.
given any chance we can to use it.
Yep. The poor bloop.
Yeah, he looks so sad when he's flopping around.
And then what? I want to know what's on the other side.
Me
of that.
too.
That's the fucking mystery. Oh, it was both. Now you're in the cave.
Yeah,
We were both.
it was
right.
both. Yeah,
Look at that.
I want these coins.
What a dream.
Merrily,
Speaking
merrily,
of
merrily.
dreams, this entire game is a dream.
I don't want to cut it.
What?
This whole game is a dream.
Is it?
In the opening cinematic, Mario's sleeping on the plane.
Don't do this to me. I mean, that's probably true.
I have no idea.
Yeah, we're at time. Let's cut it.
All right.
Or let's sit here for a couple minutes. You're right. Bum, bum, bum. Dun, 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 dun.